We have full pressure inside the lines. There's no leakage.
Yeah, and that being wet is just because.
Yeah, this was open. Yeah,
sure.
a little
Okay.
bit. Okay, so you have no leak coming from anywhere. You have full pressure. So, yeah, all good. You can take a look from the
Yeah, I
back.
just want to make sure.
Yeah, take your time. All good, no leak.
Yeah.
Okay, and you're happy?
Yes, I am.
Okay, perfect. Okay, all good?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
And
And that's it.
The pipe sweating.
Yeah. The job's all done. Like I said, it's very firm. It doesn't move. Everything is all good.